tidying my work table. Hi friends, it's Sharon, and it is Tiny Tidy Tuesday. And I'm going to cheat a little bit. I'm going to film my Tiny Tidy Tuesday on a Wednesday because I have to do Fairy Garden Thursday. And I need somewhere to work, so I have to clean off my table, my craft table, which is a disaster. It's become a drop haul for things that I've been working on, things I don't want in the rooms where there were. So, oops, pardon my hand. And our host is Melinda Plain and Simple, and she's been hosting for a while since Sunday Dawn is taking a break. And she does a great job getting all our tiny tidies into a playlist so we can share them with you. So thanks, Melinda. And her channel is Melinda Plain and Simple. She does lots and lots of tidying and organizing and decorating, and you will really enjoy her channel. So, Melinda Plain and Simple. So she will be in the playlist along with all the other tiny tidiers. Okay, so now I have to get busy and get my desk cleaned up. Let's see what that's doing. Okay. I think first I have to put some of this stuff away so I can bring my table out. This is pretty simple. This is a poster I made. Now I can pull my table out. I got all kinds of stuff underneath. There's a good shot of my table. I've got stuff everywhere on it that I need to put away. So I'm going to move you back here a little bit. Now I start in the front. I have to push it back, so I'm going to start in the front. Okay, I bought these berries yesterday at Canadian Tire, and I'm going to put them around in my Christmas decor. So they're not going to go very far. I'm just going to sit them over here. I made this, but I don't know where to hang it. And he called, take it to the seniors hall. See if it can get. Okay, these are. This goes in my decorating bag, which is behind you. I'll throw that over there. All these wooden pieces because I was going to do something with them. Haven't done it yet, but I do have a place for them, so I'm going to put them back in their place, which is in the baskets over here. Projects to work on. Okay, I have a bag of lights. I'm going to put some of this stuff in here. And I'm going to probably leave this stuff as I'm doing things. Still working on my Christmas decorations. This is kind of a cute little box that I could maybe use as something. So I'm going to keep it. You know, us crafters. Keep it, make something. So I'll put that in the to-do projects. I put this with my Christmas decorating that I'm still using. This goes in the garbage. Let's get some more garbage out of here. That's my bow tying. Put it down there. have a little bit of wire I'm going to put in there. So the glue stick. Here's my glue gun. Gonna need that today, so let's charge her up. There. Okay. We're gonna need this today, but I'm gonna put it over here till it's time. I have 2 plants from my living room. I'm just gonna stick them back here. I have to move them out so we could do the Christmas tree. Oh, here's some more Christmas, these are little Christmas socks. Okay. This basket I want to put back in my bedroom. These are zip ties. And they're going to go on the wall with the other zip ties. Now I can move my table up a little bit. I have all kinds of stuff back here yet. That I might or might not use as Christmas decorations. Oh, I guess I didn't cut that all the way through. Should we cut it? Yes, we shall. There we go. I just hang those on the wall. A couple of big trees. Oh, this is paper. Okay, scissors. I always lose all my scissors. Those aren't even my good scissors. Let's see. We've got lots of these guys. These are my nutcrackers that I'm decoupaging with for some Christmas decor. Oh, here's the little reindeer. I'm gonna bring this bag back over here, and then I'm gonna put them with my Christmas decor back here. That's where they should be. And all together. Okay, we're getting there. I did this little guy. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with him. It's kind of messy. But I might be able to fix them up and sell them for a few dollars. I don't know. Get them up here. Think about him. And we'll put the napkins away in the napkin basket. Here's some wood. I gotta make some fairy gardens. Here's some wood. Here's a little horn. You heard my puppy dog barking. There's a paintbrush. And we'll just leave those and we'll use it. Basket I want to put back in the bedroom. And these are little snowflakes. This is a project. This can go in the garbage. Fairy garden stuff. Goes in there. Okay, that goes in there. And these little bits and stuff I'm just going to put in the garbage. Oh, we're getting there. Of course, I should turn you so you... Okay, we are getting there. Ribbon. Put that ribbon in the ribbon basket. This is garbage. Paint. This is... Oh, I want this. I wonder where the other little screw is. Oh, I guess I could put a different hanger on there. Put that in my bedroom. That's paint, a bag, and paper. Put the bag back here. There's for my glue gun. Well, she's usually on this side. And I still got glue all over my desk, but I'm trying. At this time, I'd like to invite you to subscribe to my channel. And if you like this content, please give me a big thumbs up. Really helps my channel. And it's free to subscribe. And don't forget to subscribe to all the other Tiny Tidiers. You'll get lots of inspiration and get things done a little at a time. So my desk is tidied. Scrape this into the garbage. This is garbage from the garbage can. And I've been working. Anyhow, that looks much better, and now I can do some fairy gardens. That will be fun. Okay, that's my tiny tidy for this week. I hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you next Tuesday. And don't forget to watch the playlist. It's in my comments below. Just tap on the blue lettering and they'll all pop up, and then you can see what everybody else tiny tidied. Anyhow, I'll see you in my next video, which will be, well, Fairy Garden Thursday always comes after Tiny Tidy Tuesday. So I'm going to put my garbage back in my garbage can, and we'll see you then. Bye!